Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to integrate live chat on your website. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to integrate live chat, you need to first of all select a live chat software. Once you've selected the live chat software, for example 3CX, then you can simply generate an embedded code or plugin from the software provider. After doing this, you can simply paste the code into your website's HTML or install the plugin via your website's dashboard. Now, finally, customize the chat widget's appearance and set up your theme and automate responses and test the functionality before going live. So, by using this method, you can simply integrate live chat on your website. You can simply add in codes and use this for your day-to-day activity on your website. So you can also use WordPress to create this thing, and it will be making your online presence really significant. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching. We will be back again really soon.